afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you, and thank you for tuning in to my 2,903rd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, as you know, I put out trading recommendations every day and every night. These go to traders all over the world. These OMNI Recs come out day, night, you name it, I'm there for you in real time. We had a fantastic Jan, a killer Feb, as I showed you on the board in many videos. March was fantastic as well. So the first quarter OMNI Recs, unbelievable. Tonight, I wanted to ask a few of my Omniacs who are here live in the studio on camera how things are going. So if you don't mind, I'm going to ask my Omniacs for themselves while they're here what they think of my performance, the Omni recommendations for the month of April. Omniacs, what do you think about the trading in the month of April? What do you mean? What do you mean by that? Futures trading can be very